Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my own car, Renault Megane 2013, and I had a warning this morning for the oil level, and we can see the level here on the dash. So as you can see, there is low, it's down to 1 dot. You know, I have 6 dots there, down to 1 dot. And I thought it was quite strange because I never see that message, you know, between oil changes. So I went to check the oil level with the dipstick, and I saw a bunch of oil around the front of the engine. So I need to investigate. Let me show you. So here it is, right on the front of the engine. I put my torch down there. You can see at the bottom there's something leaking. I can't really work out where it's coming from. Seems to be sort of like underneath the oil filter, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna jack the car up and then remove the tray. It should be pretty easy because it seems to be quite a major leak. So yeah, I'm gonna jack the car up. Right, so I jacked the car up, it's on jack stand and everything, and it's quite clear that we have something quite major going on. You can see the oil actually dripping from there. You can see a puddle on the floor. It's all the way back. This is the engine tray, obviously. All the way back. You can see some signs in the front here as well. It's just everywhere. So I'm gonna remove this engine tray, and then I guess it should be pretty easy. With this amount of oil, it should be pretty easy. Alright, so let's have a look. There's a lot of oil in this pipe here. Don't know if this is the intercooler pipe, but it's very clear that it's coming from somewhere the front of the engine. Oil cooler. Let's have a look at the filter. Right. Yeah, I think it's dripping from the top down. It looks like there's a sensor there. That sensor seems to be leaking. I'm gonna put the engine on. I'm gonna clean everything. I'm gonna put the engine on to see if it seems to be a quite bad one. I should be able to see it, but my guess would be the oil filter housing, the oil filter seal failed, or that sensor. There you go, so I cleaned around the sensor pretty good, and the pipe here as well. We're gonna put the engine on and see if we can see any leak or anything. Right, so the sensor is leaking. I believe it's an oil pressure switch or something like that. And what I decided to do, I'm going to do an oil service. So I emptied the oil already. I'm going to remove the oil filter, and so I can get access to the sensor a lot easier. If you're interested to know how to service this Renault Megane Mark III, I'll leave a card at the top here. I've done a video of servicing it. Now with the oil filter removed, we have good access to the sensor. So I'm going to unplug it, and then I'll remove, I don't know what tool we're gonna need for that, but I'll tell you in a second. So here it is, oil pressure sensor, and it was leaking from that black plastic there. It was leaking through there. I don't know why. I don't know why you have that plastic there. Maybe something to fail, so you have to buy another one. Anyways, it's 22mm socket, a deep socket that you're gonna need to remove it. That was pretty easy. I phoned Renault already. I ordered a new sensor. Today's Friday, so I should be getting the sensor on Tuesday. £61 with VAT, so not too bad. Right, so I'm back. This is like 4 days after you saw the last clip, and I've got the parts here. So today's Tuesday. Come on, airplane. So this is the new one, genuine part from Renault. Part number. Look at that. So this is the part number. If you guys are interested, if you need to change, it cost me £61.38 from Westover. Right, so let's open this thing. So this is the new sensor, and I've been really thinking about this black plastic here the weekend, and the only thing I can think of is a sort of a safety valve. So if there's too much pressure, that will allow pressure to come through. If anybody knows about this type of sensor, let me know in the comments. This is the old one. I actually tried to put some plastic welds there to try to stop the leak and maybe use the car at the weekend, but it didn't work. It just kept leaking underneath here. So the sensor still works. So if you get your multimeter on a continuity check, and put the multimeter there, so I hope you can see it. So it's only a one wire sensor, and it's grounded through the body. So if you get one probe lead there, there's only one pin inside. It's normally closed, so you should be able to hear a beep. So there you go, pretty much no resistance at all. And then obviously build up of pressure, I don't know how many psi's, it will open the switch, and then you're gonna have a open circuit. So now all I've got to do is to fit the new sensor. So it's a 22mm. You're gonna need a deep socket because the connector here, the plastic connector, and clean everything and check for leaks. All right, so the new sensor is in. So now I'm gonna turn the engine, and we'll see if we have any more leaks. I know it's hard to see if that plastic bit is leaking because it's facing up now, but I'll let the car run for about 10 minutes, so even if it's facing up, we should be able to see some leaks. So I'm gonna take it down there now. As you can see, it's nice and dry here. So yeah, no more leaks. Still a little bit dirty around the cables there because it's still got a little bit of cleaning to do, but it's definitely not leaking. And if anybody knows about this sensor here, that plastic thing, it seems to be there for a reason. So yeah, if anybody knows, just let me know in the comments, please. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.